This video is about Lens and Superfluid Workshop, June 2023, review, with up to $10,000 earning opportunity. Hello, from Fosca team. Welcome to episode 17 of Web3 explained by AiHiPU platform. Before we move on, I have an important disclosure and disclaimer notice for you. Disclosure: we may hold, invest, trade or receive rewards from reviewed Web3 projects/affiliates. Our goal is helpful reviews. Disclaimer: our reviews are for educational purposes only and do not constitute financial, trading or investment advice. Please do your own research, DYOR. By using or following the whole or part of this review information, you agree that we are not liable for any losses. Now, back to the focus of this video. Introducing Lens and Superfluid Workshop, June 2023. A Web3 event where you learn to build a decentralized social app with a token stream with earning opportunities worth over $10,000. Ready? Are you interested in exploring this Web3 event? Then, let's dive in. Lens and Superfluid Workshop, June 2023, Overview. 1. Hosted by Superfluid and Lens Protocol. 2. Theme: learn to build a decentralized social app integrating at Lens Protocol and Superfluid. 3. Reward people with token streams for posting with a certain hashtag on Lens. 4. Attending this event open you to the following earning opportunities: $10,000 Superfluid Wave Pool Hackathon. The knowledge you acquire from this event can be applied to participate to get a share. And a lot more. While I am only able to share an overview of the event with you in this video, you can access the full review on our platform, Web3 explained by AiHiPU website, which includes full details about the overview, hosts, fees, event schedule, event details, earning opportunities for this Web3 event attendees, and how to register and participate in this event. Check out the Web3 explained.aihipuniversity.com, link in the video description. Meanwhile, kindly don't forget to like, share and comment on your experience with the Web3 hackathon discussed in this episode. Subscribe and tap the notification bell to not miss the upcoming Web3 explained by AiHiPU episode on our platform. Also, the Fosca team encourages you to kindly always do good and not evil to humanity and nature with your Web3 knowledge to make the world a better place for us all. Thank you for watching. Kindly watch our other Web3 review videos next please.